morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day to add up to a beautiful life. And welcome to Walking in Circles. This is a little show about meeting your goals one step at a time. So last week I spoke a little bit about checking with your relationships and if you have manuals that you are operating by. So let me just spell that out a little further in case you're like, do I have manuals that I'm operating by? And it really is just becoming aware of the thoughts you have. So how does it look if you have a manual that you're operating by in your relationships? Well, number one, you may be having problems. You may be having a little bit of angst or a little frustration. And this is what it sounds like. He should do thus and so. Or you could be doing this to yourself. You may have your own operating manual that you are going by. So it would sound like I should, or I need to. And so if you just catch that in your brain, you can question it. And especially if it's involving another human, another grown adult who's operating on their own manuals, then you might just decide to drop it. Just drop it. So anytime you're shoulding on other people or on yourself, you can just ask yourself, is it necessary? So when it comes to your own shoulds and your own needs, it's just really asking, is it really necessary, and what are your motives? So it's really fun when you start becoming aware of how often you are shoulding on either yourself or other people. So that's my little tip for you today, is just become aware of your thoughts. And if you are shoulding or needing on other people, you may, if you just drop it, you will have so much more peace. Or, like I mentioned last week, if you have shoulds for other people, they probably don't know about it. And so then you are probably going to be disappointed. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I have been working on getting certified to use some coaching tools, and this is one of them, and it is so powerful. It really just releases all kinds of energy when you're not worried about what other people are doing. And you just say, hey, you're grown. You do you. So yeah, that's that. I offer one-on-one coaching. I especially love to coach people in their closets. That is my jam. And just follow along Nest Pretty and learn more. I'm glad you're here. I hope that you are reaching your goals one step at a time. So much fun. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.